Up next on Storm Chasers, we embark on Mount Pleasant, Michigan, all the way to Copper Beech. Hurricane Eugene is about to attack. Get ready.
Here in lovely Mount Pleasant, Michigan. My name is Arnold, all the way from sunny Venice Beach, California. I brought my boy Buddy, real good friend. We came to Mount Pleasant, Michigan 2 years ago. It was Hurricane Air League. Guess what? 2012, Hurricane Eugene is back. It's supposed to be the storm of the century.
I'm too meaty. I haven't seen waves like this since Titanic 3D.
Show them the trees. Look how swell this are. Wow. It is intense out here. A commercial break. It's getting crazy out here. 10 more minutes until the hurricane hits. The safest point is the highest point during the hurricane. I learned in school. I went to school for 2 semesters. It's running out my window. We won't fly away. Hold on. You hear that, Mount Pleasant? Hide the cover. Hold on. Hurricane Air League ain't shit. Hurricane Eugene's coming for you. We're back from a commercial break. It's going crazy now. I don't even know where Skeeter Valentine is. I'm holding that. Look at that tree. Holy shit here. Oh my god. Oh, Skeet! Holy Skeeter! Oh my god, I can't even hold on for dear life. Skeeter Valentine, how do you feel? Crazy out here. What do you say about being in Mount Pleasant, Skeeter?
Love the scenery, man.
Okay. What about this here? As you can tell, the hurricane is doing damage. We better get out to those swells before, Mount Pleasant is blown over.
I'm ready to hit the waves.
I'm ready.
I'm ready to swim on a shark. Just grab a fin like that. Like that.
Get him, Skeeter.